see it. Couldn't move. It's cars.
Trap.
Not a big bean. Okay, thank you.
Okay, could you say it again? I couldn't hear you.
Let me let you go.
Why didn't you say I couldn't hear you?
I got another call.
Hello.
Yeah. I saw that coming, man.
The dad cast we're doing right now. Have you found yourself more we're doing right now? Have you found yourself more emotional that now that you have a child? Have you found yourself more emotional? Yeah, more emotional that now that you have a child. Have you found yourself emotional? Yeah, yes, I find myself like looking at my parents differently and like every like sort of, not that I've ever been really bad to my parents, but just being, you know how you get annoyed by your parents, you're like, oh good. Now I'm like, your parents are the worst. Oh yeah, each of our parents. Yeah. My parents rock, but I was like, sure, well, you get annoyed by your parents, and now I'm like, what am I going to do? Like, yeah, for everything that they've done for me, you know, and now I'm like, all right, no.
Exit on locker, westbound, is the light on, ramp there. TBI crash, start medical, 240 in May, start medical.
Into making the kind of bets that make them the most money, which is the kind of bets you're most likely.
Are you kidding me right now?
And it's long shot parlay bets is what they're selling you on. It isn't like you're going to bet the Chiefs against the Raiders. It's no, you're going to bet the Chiefs and Patrick Mahomes throwing for 300 yards and Travis Kelce catching 2 touchdowns, and all of that has to come right, or you don't win. And what they're doing is sort of nudging you.
see if he can slow down enough for a TBI.
Lansing, copy that. If you guys can leave me some room, I'm going to pass to the left.
And we are on a roadblock with 3 files. They got I-70 shut down.
Copy on a roadblock, 3 files, I-70 shut down.
You can't. BZC 6416. BZC. Yeah, look at them. Can't remain in the lane. Yeah, that's 3 times too much. That was so close. Alright. Now it's 911 time.
2 Street to make sure I have it correct.
Heritage and Blackfoot.
Okay, in the direction?
Westbound.
That was perfect. 1 moment. Okay, what is the phone number you're calling from, please? Thank you and your name. You tell me exactly what happened.
I'm just behind maybe an impaired driver. He's like all over the road. He almost hit me. He almost sideswiped me.
I'll have a few more questions, and also in the meantime, you make sure you stay back from that person, okay? And make sure that you're not following them. 1 moment here.
Okay.
1 moment here. Okay, I want to make sure you don't follow him, okay?
Okay, I'll,
Can you hear me?
yeah, I'm just on my GPS, so I'll just follow my GPS.
Well, you just go wherever you were going, okay?
Yeah.
So was it...
Oh, and he just went straight through a stop sign. He's never gonna I just onto, he doesn't know the street now.
Let me know when you've stopped following him, okay?
Okay, I'm not actively following him. I'm just following the GPS back to where I'm going.
Okay, well then how do you keep knowing where he's turning?
Because I'm just following the GPS. I'm not following him.
Okay, so just go your own way. So Arlington, it does not... And where are you?
I'm on 6th Street, but I'm like really far away. I can barely see him now.
Okay, and so I just need to confirm that you are not actively following him.
No, not on purpose. Like I'm like very far away from him. He's...
Well, where are you going that you seem to have to be taking all the same streets as him?
Well, I'm going southbound. I'm going home.
Okay, okay, and so where do you turn from 6th Street to go home? What road do you turn on to go home?
I don't know, I'm not following him anymore. I don't know where he is now.
Okay, perfect. All right, I need to get the vehicle description. What color was it?
Black Lexus RX 350 or something, like an SUV Lexus.
Okay, perfect. All right, bear with me here.
I also have a dash cam, so I have it all recorded.
Okay.